Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2001 Harley Davidson Road King Classic. This is the FLHRCi for fuel injection, 88 cubic inches, which is about 1,450 cc's. Beautiful white wall tires. It's got the old school look with the running lights, quick release windscreen, and this bike, the Classic, comes with two-tone paint, leather saddlebags. This bike is also equipped with a beautiful, nice big passenger backrest that's also quick release, and you can remove that from the bike. Only 39,000 miles on this gorgeous 2001 Road King. Runs beautifully. Come by, check it out. We have financing available. We're going to fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Make your Harley Davidson dreams come true at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.